Good day, ma'am. Today I will discuss what does web page mean. A web page is a document for the World Wide Web that is identified by a unique uniform resource locator. A web page can be accessed and displayed on a monitor or mobile device through a web browser. The data found in the web page is usually in HTML or XHTML format. The web pages usually also contain other resources such as style sheets, script and image for the presentation. User may be able to navigate to other page through hypertext links. A web page is a presentation of document